Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable charging sound on Samsung phone. So if you have a Samsung phone and you want to be notified that your Samsung phone is charging or connected to the power source, each time you are charging the phone, then you need to enable or turn on the charging sound. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable or turn on charging sound on Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and vibration. Now, once you click on sounds and vibration, scroll down, locate system sound and click on that. Once you select the system sound, come down to sound, and then here, make sure you turn on charging. Once you turn on the charging button, then you are good to go. And when next you plug your Samsung phone, then you hear the charging sound you selected, and then your Samsung phone is going to beep indicating that it is connected and charging. So that is basically how to enable charging sound on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.